If you accidentally deleted a task in TickTick, don't panic. In many cases, you can still restore it using the built-in trash or backup features. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to restore deleted tasks in TickTick step by step in 2026. First, open the TickTick app or website and sign in to your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the asterisk trash asterisk asterisk, recycle bin asterisk asterisk, or deleted items asterisk asterisk section in the sidebar or settings menu. Next, open the trash section. Here you'll find tasks that were recently deleted but not permanently removed yet. Now browse through the deleted tasks list and find the one you want to recover. Make sure you select the correct task before restoring it. Once you find the task, click or tap on it, then choose the asterisk restore asterisk asterisk option. This will move the task back to its original list. If you don't see the task in trash, check if your app has a limited retention period. Some deleted tasks are automatically removed after a certain number of days. In that case, you may be able to recover your data using a previously created backup from TickTick's backup or export feature. To do this, go to Settings, open the Backup or Import section, and upload your saved file to restore your tasks. After restoring, go back to your task list and confirm that everything has been recovered properly. For better safety in the future, make sure to enable regular backups so you don't lose important tasks again. And that's how to restore deleted tasks in TickTick. Yeah, in most cases, using the trash folder or a backup file will help you quickly recover your work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.